Are hybrid vehicles more difficult to maintain? Not at all. Hybrids follow the same maintenance schedule as non-hybrids, and their design can actually help them to deliver less wear and tear and fewer replacement parts. This is because of unique hybrid components like the electric motor, which works alongside the gasoline engine to produce a shared pool of power, and the electronic braking systems, which can decelerate the vehicle without the use of the brakes, helping to extend the life of the brake pads and rotors. Plus, the drive battery is designed to last the life of the vehicle, so even though it's a pretty major component, it's no more prone to replacement than any other major component, like an engine or transmission. These vehicles also come with long warranty coverage designed specifically for hybrids, as well as Toyota's reputation for quality, durability, and reliability, and its unrivaled experience designing world-class hybrids. Simply put, these vehicles deliver peace of mind and hassle-free ownership year after year.